Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI for business step by step. Whether you're starting a new business, managing an existing one, or looking for ideas to improve your company, DeepSeek can help you create business plans, marketing strategies, social media content, business proposals, and much more. It's a powerful AI tool that can save time, improve productivity, and help you organize your business ideas more effectively. Even if you're a complete beginner, this tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know. So let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main chat page, click New Chat to start a new conversation. Now click inside the message box and type, "Create a business plan for a coffee shop." Then click the Send button or press Enter. DeepSeek will generate a business plan that may include the business concept, target customers, products or services, marketing ideas, and basic financial planning. Next, suggest 5 marketing ideas for this business. DeepSeek will provide practical marketing strategies that can help attract more customers and promote the business. Now create a 1-month social media content plan. DeepSeek will generate a content schedule with post ideas that you can use on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or X. If you need funding, write a professional business proposal for investors. DeepSeek will create a well-structured proposal that you can edit and customize for your own business. You can also use DeepSeek for many other business tasks, such as writing product descriptions, creating advertising copy, preparing meeting agendas, drafting professional emails, generating business reports, or brainstorming new business ideas. Once you're satisfied with the results, simply copy the content and customize it according to your business needs. That's how easy it is to use DeepSeek AI for business. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.